Ever since Dogecoin took the internet by storm, celebrities have been jumping into the crypto game left and right. From Matt Damon shilling for Crypto.com to Reese Witherspoon hawking NFTs, it can be hard to separate genuine opportunities from pure marketing ploys. So, when Snoop Dogg, the legendary D.O.G. himself, announced his own crypto app called Snoop Finance, a lot of people raised an eyebrow. Is this just another cash grab, or is there something more to it? That's what we're here to find out today. Breaking down Snoop Finance, more than just a celebrity app. First things first, Snoop Dogg isn't exactly known for his financial expertise. The man's a hip-hop icon, sure, but when it comes to navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency, well, let's just say his knowledge might be a bit hazy. There's also the fact that Snoop Finance is still pretty new. Launched in late 2021, it hasn't exactly had a ton of time to establish itself. So, with all that in mind, is Snoop Finance a legitimate crypto app, or should you steer clear? Here's the thing, Snoop Finance might actually surprise you. While Snoop himself might not be a financial wizard, the team behind the app seems to be legit. They have experience in the crypto space, and the app itself offers a surprising amount of features. What can you do with Snoop Finance? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Snoop Finance positions itself as an all-in-one crypto ecosystem. Here's a rundown of what you can do with the app. Buy and sell crypto. This is pretty standard stuff for any crypto app. Snoop Finance lets you buy and sell a decent variety of cryptocurrencies, including the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with some smaller altcoins. Snoop Dogg Stash. This is where things get a little interesting. Snoop Dogg Stash is basically a collection of curated NFT collections. Think of it like a Snoop-approved art gallery in the metaverse. These NFTs can be anything from digital artwork featuring the dog himself to exclusive music or even concert tickets. The Dog Pound. This is Snoop Finance's social aspect. The Dog Pound is a social media platform built right into the app. Here you can connect with other Snoop Finance users, discuss crypto, and even participate in exclusive AMAs, Ask Me Anything, with celebrities and crypto influencers. Earning rewards. Snoop Finance offers a couple of ways to earn rewards. You can stake your crypto holdings to earn interest, and they also have a play-to-earn gaming element where you can collect NFTs and earn rewards through gameplay. Is Snoop Finance right for you? The verdict. Alright, so we've explored what Snoop Finance has to offer. But before you jump in and blindly follow the DOGG into the crypto abyss, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. New and unproven. As mentioned earlier, Snoop Finance is a relatively new player in the game. This lack of track record can be a concern, especially in the ever-volatile world of cryptocurrency. Security concerns. There have been some concerns about the security of the Snoop Finance platform. While the team claims to have robust security measures in place, it's always a good idea to do your own research on any crypto app before trusting it with your hard-earned cash. Focus on NFTs. If you're not into the whole NFT craze, then a big chunk of Snoop Finance's appeal might be lost on you. While the app does offer other features, the NFT integration seems to be a central focus. So, is Snoop Finance a scam? Not necessarily. The app seems to be built on a legitimate foundation, and the team behind it appears to have some experience in the crypto space. That being said, it's important to approach Snoop Finance with a healthy dose of caution. Do your own research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, even Snoop Dogg can't guarantee success in the wild world of crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there in the crypto jungle.